What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's how-to video. Today we're going to be doing a JB4 install on a 2020 F90 M5 non-comp. I think it's applicable for both comp and non-comp. This is Bryce's new car. Bryce, of course, for like the 50th time, congratulations. This thing is just freaking beastly. Should be a fairly simple install. Bryce and I are gonna go over some of like the steps on how to do it, what's really necessary and what's not. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is remove this little like carpet here. It's gonna expose the battery, which is in the back, like most European cars. And you're gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery, which is an essential part of this experiment for safety reasons. That's good.
Because that,
this straight up looks like a squid. Okay, so Bryce, we have 5 connectors or 4 cables, right? Why are we only using 2?
because on some older models and competition models, it causes a drivetrain malfunction and the car won't start.
Oh gosh, that's not good for warranty.
Yeah, like I don't really care for the extra power. This car is already crazy fast.
True, and honestly, yeah,
like a little healthy gain, you know.
Right, horsepower and whatnot. And honestly, that's if you want to really increase to go to stage 2
like
plus. This is good for stage 1.
E85, all this stuff.
Not applicable. Not applicable. So on either side of the block, you're gonna have this little connection right here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this one where that connection would go, and then the factory connecting piece right here, we'll put it in this section right here. So it's going to be on either side. So Bryce already started on his side. There you'll see it looks something like that right there. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, it's right there. Now before we actually start connecting anything, cable management's pretty important. So we actually ran this wire here along here, that way it would, you know, be a little bit more flush and it won't interrupt when you close the hood. So pretty simple.
So that's it.
All right, so once you went ahead and connect those pieces here on opposite side of the block, we decided to stuff the mainframe the mainframe and the other useless cables in this little area where is this the brake fluid or washer fluid?
The
Steering fluid. Jesus, man, I'm lost. Putting in this little area here fits nice and neat. You don't really have the other things exposed. All the cables are kind of like tucked in there. Yeah, it looks great. Looks like nothing ever happened. And we actually ran that cable through like this little area here. Do you feel any difference with the downpipes?
The downpipes, yeah, definitely.
Good. So this car already has this guy's on crack. Already has downpipes and of course these intakes. And that's it, guys. Pretty simple install. I mean, what is that, like 5 minutes? Less.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, taking apart.
No, we didn't put all the connectors. Like one of those is really hard to get to. You have to like take out the whole inlet here. And it's like in between these.
That's something crazy. But that's, again, guys, if you're looking to do just stage 1, somewhat of a nice booster, right? Yeah. There you go. You could just do it with 2 of these cables. Did you get any errors? Check engine lights. Oh, I hear engine knock.
Yes, you have to check engine light.
Is that from that's from the downpipes, right?
Yeah.
As a BMW owner, do you want to see that?
Actually, you don't see it because it's like it's very on the corner when this is so thick you barely see it.
All right, bro, give me some action.
Bro, it's cold.
Bro, get cold, nigga. Nah, bro, put on a sweater. So far, no stuttering. Everything is driving good.
Yeah.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah, you hear the intake. Though.
Yeah. And the turbo spool and everything. Woo!
The only thing is I don't have the JB4 mobile kit that lets you change the map on your phone. So I don't know what map it's on right now. I hope it's 1. Like,
what if it was a little higher? Like the maximum level, what would happen? Like the...
No, I don't think they would. But what would happen?
Yeah.
Probably like stop with there's not enough fuel.
Ooh. Hello? Bro, I'm telling you guys, it's always the cars that are not sports cars pretending to be sports cars, bro. It's so bad.
You kind of feel like more boost. Maybe it's the weather, I don't know.
It is pretty cold. What is it today, 70?
Okay, so I hear the intake fluttering, so that means it's doing something. Because when I had the JB4 and the M3 and I had the intake too, it would do
it flutter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that was.
But once I did the boot mode, it went away completely. I think boot mode is like top tier, and JB4 is right under. But
No. Oh shoot, man! It didn't spin out of control before. I remember that.
Yeah.
Maybe the tires are a little colder.
Maybe.
But dude, oh. Ah.
Oh yeah.
Top end.
Yeah, I think like maybe once you pass third gear is when the car wakes up. I think they do like boost by gear so you don't spin out all the time.
That makes sense, yeah. Because I mean, this is just
like at third or fourth, it's just like every gear just feels even faster.
Jesus, this man has no chill.
We'll go down the tunnel.
Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, dude. That's insane. POV. Your spot's been taken by some random base CLA.
Bro, the second time it happens like this week.
All right, guys, so there you have it. That was a pretty quick install and demo of the JB4 install on a 2020 F90 M5. If you guys found it informative and entertaining, go ahead and give it a like. Very, very helpful for the algorithm. If you guys enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and of course the notification bell as well, so you don't miss any of these how-tos, any of the cool F5 content and other content that I upload on the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you next time.